Today we have an exciting agenda lined up that will delve into the world of Sempervivum Cornelia, a captivating succulent. We'll explore the process of propagating this beauty, all while repurposing a plastic food container for a sustainable gardening approach. But first, let's take a closer look at what makes Sempervivum Cornelia so unique. Welcome to Forlit Sky Arts and Architecture, and get ready to cultivate your creativity, indulge in nature's wonders, and explore the captivating synergy between gardening, arts, and architecture. Subscribe now and let your imagination bloom in this vibrant community. Sempervivum Cornelia belongs to the genus Sempervivum, commonly known as hen and chicks. Sempervivum is a diverse genus of succulent plants native to mountainous regions of Europe, particularly the Alps and the Carpathians. Within the Sempervivum genus, Cornelia is a specific cultivar or hybrid variety selected and propagated for its distinct characteristics such as coloration and growth habit. Sempervivum Cornelia is a remarkable succulent that catches the eye with its stunning rosette formation and vibrant hues. Join us as we unravel this succulent superstar, fascinating characteristics, and beauty. But before we dive into the world of Sempervivum Cornelia, let's embrace sustainability in gardening. We'll demonstrate how we can repurpose a plastic food container as a planting vessels, reducing waste and giving new life to everyday items. Reusing plastic food containers for propagating and planting succulents is a fantastic way to reduce waste and give new life to these everyday items. Not only does it save money and resources, but it also provides a convenient and practical solution for growing your succulent collection. So don't throw those containers away just yet. Let's explore how to repurpose them for succulent propagation and planting adventures. Number 1, clean and sterilize. Start by thoroughly cleaning the plastic food container to ensure it's free from contaminants or residue. This time, my container is already cleaned and sterilized. Number 2, create drainage holes. Using a sharp tool such as heated screwdriver, this time I used a candle to hit the screwdriver, carefully create a drainage holes in the bottom of the plastic container. Number 3, add well-draining soil. Fill the container with a well-draining soil mix suitable for succulents. Now it's time to propagate and plant our Sempervivum Cornelia. Remove healthy leaves or offsets, the chicks, from your existing plants. Place them on top of the soil or insert them slightly into the soil. Depending on the type of succulents, ensure the base of the leaf or offset is in contact with the soil. Provide adequate light and water. Place your plastic container in a location that receives bright, indirect sunlight. Succulents require ample light to thrive. Water the soil lightly, allowing it to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is one of the common mistakes in succulent care, so ensure you only water when the soil is dry. Propagating Sempervivum Cornelia allows us to expand our succulent collection and share the beauty of this stunning variety with others. Plus, it's a fantastic opportunity to nurture and observe the growth of these unique plants. So whether you're an experienced gardener or just beginning your green adventure, let's create a vibrant and eco-friendly garden together. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the fascinating world of Sempervivum Cornelia and repurpose plastic containers for a greener gardening experience. Stay tuned for more exciting content on gardening, arts, and architecture. Until the next time, happy gardening!